Hey friends, happy Valentine's Day to you. Yes, you see I'm at work, I'm at the radio station. This is what I do. I buzz all over your radio. No, I don't have any special Valentine's Day plans, so stop asking me. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm hanging out with my homegirls today. We're doing what we do best, staying fly, being cute, whatever. But I just wanted to wish you and yours a happy Valentine's Day. I'm at the radio and, I'm not doing anything, but my phone lines, they do jump. So when I tell you that people are calling the phone lines, I'm not just saying it to make it seem like I'm cool. People really aren't calling, but people really call when I'm on the radio. So check that out. Those are my phone lines going crazy. So you're seeing it live for yourself. Right now, it's The Dream rocking that thing playing on the radio. And that's got to be one of the sexiest songs out right now. I really love that song. It's a cute song or whatever. So shout out to The Dream. And also shout out to everybody that's bashing Chris Brown. My thing is, why the fuck are you bashing him? You don't know the story. You were not there. You're listening to the media. We gas shit up. We make shit bigger than life because we want you idiots to believe it. You don't know the story. Stop bashing the dude. Support him until innocent proven guilty. Y'all niggas supported R. Kelly when he was molesting bitches, so support the dude, Chris Brown. VA all day, 2 up, 2 down, 804, fuck what you heard. Anyways, I'm at the radio station about to keep buzzing on your radio, so don't go nowhere. MissHoneyBee.com is what it is. I'm Honeybee, of course. This is what I do, and I'm going to talk to you later. Mwah.